Hello you beautiful people and welcome back to my channel, Silvermist95. Today we're playing Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. I'm really excited. So we want new game. Okay, so we got Rookie Explorer. Perfect for beginners and casual heroes that want to focus on story. Heroes cannot die during combat, well that's too easy. Rookie Recruit. Perfect for beginners and casual heroes that want to focus on story. We got Rebel Agent, a balanced choice for more experienced players. Resistant Leader, for those who seek a greater challenge, requiring faster reflexes against tougher foes. And Renegade Legend. Not a TikTok dance, but okay. For those who wish to battle the most brutal foes in any dimension. Well, let's go with the Rebel Agent, that seems to be the mid one. Let's go, let's take it. Start game, let's do it!
Do it! Just do it!
I'm pumped. Can't wait. Looks like we're living in the
Members of the Resistance,
very distant future at
report
the
to
moment.
your nearest intake facility immediately. We promise nothing
Okay, I'm coming.
nefarious will befall you. We promise.
Run!
Resistance members, report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility for compulsory behavioral modification. It will be fun.
Oh, looks like they're trying. Oh, hello. Hello.
Oh, hello there!
Welcome from the sewers. The sewers and smelt very
Your
nice.
suit seems to be working nicely, blending right in.
Blending in very well.
There is the assistant,
It
and
looks so
there is
sad.
the infobot.
Where is the infobot? Whoa, the snatch.
Masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
Oh no, we're in trouble already. What have you done? What is that? Is that a caterpillar? Oh no. It's a rocket ship. I thought it was a caterpillar. Oh, that was
Your ship is
a
up
bit
ahead.
confusing.
Where are you going?
Away from your direction, isn't it? Are you gonna help? That laugh. Such an evil laugh. Hello. Ooh. Ah, bang.
Hey, it's okay. See?
I thought that
Just
was
me.
I thought that was
Rivet?
I thought that was Ratchet. That's not
Gotta
Ratchet.
go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should. Thank you.
One size fits all? How did you do that? It's made of metal. Are we a wanted criminal? There's Ratchet. I was wondering when he was gonna come in.
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything
They look
heroic
adorable.
in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily,
We
we will
washed
not need
up?
to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Just smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
Right.
Smiling and waving is fun. Hello, I will smile and wave. Oh, you guys!
Marshals of our parade.
Ratchet and Clank!
We're famous. We made it in the big league, guys. We did it.
Woo! Big Bang! We did it!
With me, Skid McMars. And Rusty Pink. Wow,
Wait,
haven't seen these guys in ages.
Hello. To view character bios in gallery, press the middle button. We got Ratchet, we got Clank, we got Captain Quark, we got Skid, what a name, Skid McMarks, and Rusty Pete. No, can we not? Oh, I wanted to say hello to my adoring fans. Hello!
Even after all of these years, it is.
Why are you all taller than me?
Yeah, it is.
Man!
Yes! Folks, we have a
Oh, look
momentous
at that,
day
we're
in store for
floating.
you. Starting with me! And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet!
Oh
What are you
dear.
gonna
Must he
give me,
tell the
Clank?
entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift?
That was a bit high.
What?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better
It's
get moving
awaiting
then.
us. Travel to the front of the parade. Let's go. What is this?
A restless tinker.
Oh. Yeah! Confetti!
That night, Clank's ship came crashing.
More confetti!
Ratchet rescued
Whoops, I didn't actually want to do that, but now I want to. Come on, I have a gun.
is intergalactic.
Ring. Oh, what is this? Did I just die?
It all
How
started
did I die?
on planet Vela with Ratchet,
How
a
did I
restless
die?
tinkerer, hungry for
Oh.
adventure. That night, Clank's ship
Can I
came
not jump off
crashing
there?
from the night sky. Ratchet rescued the defective warbot, and the crowd goes wild.
That's pretty fireworks! Oh, I broke the button. Oh,
They
I
sure
actually
pulled out all
broken
the
the buttons.
stops.
It is
I'm gonna stop.
flattering.
Oh, that's so cute!
And now, our
fine.
heroes will clear this festive
Whoa!
barricade.
Doesn't it say don't look down? There's a definite reason not to look down. Look at them all down there. They're like literally flying below.
Who could forget the Blarg invasion of Kurwa?
Ooh. Is
Show the
this
crowd
a
some of
blaster?
those world-class sharpshooting skills. Well, once he grabs some ammo, of
Whoa!
course.
I didn't even do that. Ooh, pistol ammo. Pistol ammo! I'm just blowing everything up now. I'm so sorry. I will get my team to clean this up for you. And I will just leave before I get into any trouble. Try to shoot everything. Oh, look, a flag! Hello? Oh, I'm gonna die then. Oops.
Last, the Hall of Heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the wombat!
Those bad guys?
What
A
is
wombat?
this supposed to be a reenactment of?
I'm not a wombat.
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
I don't think so either. Right? Oh, that was... Is there more? No? Oh, is it too bad?
Someone put a bounty on us?
Oh! Hello. That... oh,
I hope this
perfect!
is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
Jump to avoid hazards. I can do that. Why am I avoiding balloons? Balloons seem like fun to run into. Oh, that's water at the bottom of the...
Activating magnet
Whoa! Yeah. Can't come anywhere near me.
Come on, let's keep this show going. Catch a ride.
Oh, what? Trying to find if there's any more. Yeah, hello. Tether spot.
So much for smiling and waving.
Oh, that's cool.
I would bet the blogs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or
Someone's
Dr.
behind it.
Nefarious.
Ha, no way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Boing, boing, boing. Ow. I was having fun bouncing. This is Pirate Land. Army Hardtails.
Robobots, attack!
Whoa, 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 whoa! Where did these come from? At least I can't pull off. This came out of nowhere. So is this water? This is fake. That's a bit sad. I thought it was real. Oh well. Pirate ship! Excuse me. Okay, I didn't know I was gonna blow you up. I am very sorry about that, sir. Whoopsies! Oh.
There, we can glide over.
Oh my god. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. No one with the wind. Oh, hello. Just came up behind me. How are we today? Oops. Name is the one. Oh. I'm gonna attack you then. Bang. Can I got you. I got you.
Take it off, Ratchet.
Hello. Hello. I'm in here. You're going down.
Take out that dropship and end this.
I'm trying. I don't know where its hitbox is. Where's the hitbox? Hang on, we have more ammo in here. Where's the ship's hitbox? Can we find it? Oh, there it is. Move now. Ring! Ring! Gotcha.
A little rusty, but not too bad.
Are they gone? Oh.
I'm on!
And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost
I'm
in
a
another
Lombax.
dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
Oh, what's my gift, Clay?
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
You don't let me travel through dimensions to find my family?
Well, What?
No, that's my gift.
Nefarious?
Not yours, that's my gift.
What a wonderful surprise!
Clank gave that to me.
Expect to see you here.
It's for me.
We're meant to annihilate
Can you expect to see me at my own parade?
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes.
Obviously the gift you just gave me. Where are you going?
Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
No, you don't need instruction manual. Don't break it. Where are you balloons. Oh, the laugh. He just takes the balloon with him, just smiling wide and winking like, hello, I'm going with them. Goodbye. I'm gonna pull you with me. Snap. What happened? Oh, whoa. We're gonna fall out the sky. Okay.
We have to get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly.
Let's go.
Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
What am I doing? Oh, I can do this. What the? You really think you can get away from me? I gotcha! Oh, that's cool! I thought it was going to be fireworks. Oh, wait, it is fireworks. Didn't we just see the fireworks? That is fireworks. Ignore me. I know what I'm talking about. Sometimes. Rarely.
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on. It looks like
Let's
Nefarious
go.
landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon?
Should
Mrs.
grab a
Zircon
weapon.
has it all.
Before we get any further, how about you hit that subscribe button? If it's big and red, then it hasn't been pushed yet, and it's a free thing to do. We appreciate it here on this channel if you hit that subscribe button. You can always unsubscribe if you don't want to later. Also, hit that like button if you like the video as well. And if you hit that bell once you've hit the subscribe button, you'll always get notified when I post a video. And I promise you it's worth it. Now that we've done that, show by weapon. Yep, we're gonna buy a weapon. Welcome to Miss Zircon's, the one-stop shop to power up your arsenals. Let's go. Oh, that looks cool. Is that a glove? Is that meant to be like a hand? As long as Thanos doesn't get a hold of it, I think we'll be fine.
I am inevitable.
Okay, so feel the power of the Omniverse in the palm of your hand with this explosive ball of energy that'll tear apart baddies in reality. Huh. It tears apart reality. Oh well, the Shadow Bomb seems good. The Enforcer. Sick of single barrel destruction? Are you? Because I know I am. This sounds like an ad. Are you sick of single barrel destruction? You will be when you blast through your enemies with this double barreled plasma cannon. Double the firepower, double the fun. Buy the Enforcer now. Get one free. Only here on the Silvermas 95 channel. Okay, so they both cost the same. How much money do we have? Oh, it's up there. I'm like, how much money? It's bolts. Which one do we like better? I feel like... Okay, so power is 2, range is 2, speed is 3, area of effect is 3 for that one. Power 3, range is 3, speed... I think the Enforcer might be better at the moment. Use L to compare weapons and press square to watch a preview. Should watch a preview.
Boom! That is the sound of pure power. And the Enforcer, with its 2 barrels of sweet, sweet destruction. You can pull the fire trigger halfway to shoot 1 barrel. And if you are feeling confident, pull it all the way to shoot.
Oh, I love that. And Just for that, I think I might get that one.
You know what is better than watching
Actually, that's pretty cool. It's like Thanos one.
throwing
You got
them
me
with your
gauntlet.
bare freaking hands. Pull the fire trigger halfway to visualize your aim. Or if you are in a hurry,
Oh, that's
all the
cool.
way to let them fly. Shatter bomb, more like shatter booyah.
I guess we're going with the Shadow Bomb. Let's go.
You have a good eye.
Thank you.
More goons incoming.
More goons! We haven't even got that far and it's already been so dramatic. Oh, that's cool. I'm trying to figure it out now. There we go. I make weird noises when I fight people. Why is that? Why am I asking you guys? Oh, you hit me! How dare you? I hit you now. Yeah. You're gone now. It just makes him go flying.
Last one.
Oh, last one. Are you guys okay? Ah! Oh, I thought that was the last one. But no. You're here. Bye.
Let's go.
Oh wait, this is the one I want. Oh my god, this way! Oh no. Why are you running? I'm not that scary, am I? Ah. Whoa. Where'd you come from?
Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like.
No, thank you.
Spoiler, it's exhausting. As
Aww.
soon as I figure out these stupid
Kinda
coordinates.
feel bad for him now.
Say goodbye.
Okay, no, the feeling bad for him is now over as he tries to blast me.
What did you do?
Whoa! Dude, what have you done? That was a bad
What just
decision.
happened?
We may have a slight problem.
She's gone.
The
What
bridge
do you
is
mean
shot.
slight?
There has to be another way across.
The
This feels
rifts
like a
are
big
reacting
problem.
to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Did you see that?
Whoa!
That was rather exciting.
That was exciting.
Train has arrived.
That was really exciting.
Not nearly
Not
enough.
much. Oops, I was meant to dodge that, but didn't happen. Boom! Boom! Don't come at me. Whoa. What's through here? Oh, whoa!
This is
Are you
worse than I
right,
had
sir?
imagined.
You just going for a fly. Oops. I didn't mean to hit the flower. Hi!
Sand sharks.
I'm here. Oh no. Whoa, what are you? Just explode. They're gone now. This way?
Might as well give up.
Was that
What?
a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Well, it's either the kraken or a very large octopus. Either way, it's still a bit scary. Are you okay? They have very big eyes. I'm not saying that in a mean way either. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck on dinosaur bones. Hang on. Go into it. Whoa! Whoa! That was chaotic. That was
Nefarious'
fun
ship.
chaotic.
We've got to find a way up there.
The taxis leaving from that stand are...
Then we better not miss our ride.
Let's go!
Hey,
Whee! I like walked straight into it. I didn't mean to. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me.
our ride's here. Next stop, Nefarious.
Next stop.
attacks are getting
Whoa.
out of hand.
Nefarious is
He's got
well
crushed by a
possessed.
monster
What
dinosaur
is that?
dragon looking thing. Whoa. Hello, can I help?
Ready
Oh wait,
to purchase?
I'm gonna purchase it.
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface
Oh,
after all
I didn't mean to do that, but I
to
did.
try and take over the universe?
This is just fun day. I'm just confusing them. I got you! I got you! Someone just come around behind them. I'ma get you! I keep making noise and I don't know why. Yeah. Get out of my way. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there you are. How did you get there? That was really high pitched. I didn't mean that to be that high pitched. I'm a level 2. Thank you. You've really been helping. Oh, okay. There we go. Ah. Oops, I missed. I'ma get ya. Whoop. I'ma get. Oh. A little bit. Not much. Not as much as this pack that you're here. No! You can't keep throwing things at me. I'm gonna get you. There? That was uncalled for, my dude.
Oh dear, he is targeting us.
We're the only ones here, Clank. Of course he's targeting us. Oops. I'm not getting you. I'm not getting you. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Oh, we're getting you down. It's fine. We're getting you down. Hello. Gremlins? They're like these little shark things that walk on land.
How many?
It doesn't matter. Today
Oh no, it doesn't.
the last
Ah! Oh. I was meant to jump then and I didn't. That was a magic trick. Oh! I was supposed to jump again. I don't care what you think. I'm gonna get you. Oh! Where's my health bar? I love that it follows you, that's pretty cool. Gotcha! Gotcha!
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
Yeah!
Yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win! So
There's
you
a dimension like
finally
that?
know how it feels!
I didn't think that existed. Bye.
The dimensions are weakening
What?
considerably.
Oh, was I meant to jump? I think I was meant to jump.
How bad is it?
Whoa. Whoa.
Well,
How to
it's
train
certainly
your
not
dragon.
good.
Right.
Just gotta put my hand up to him. Train it like 2 fish. Oh, am I doing this or something? No, I'm not. Pirates!
To the depths! How many arms you got?
My name is Captain Jack Sparrow.
Get off me, ship!
Now you want to see. Oh, that didn't awesome. Yeah. The way Clank screams.
Did I do it?
Yeah.
What's with all the neon?
I don't know.
This is the part where you lose.
Part
Ratchet,
where
the
you
Dimensionator.
Oh no, what happened? Did we just break Clank's gift? Break? Did I say break?
Ratchet?
Break.
Oh dear.
Don't
My
know.
arm. And
Guess I'll find out in
No.
editing.
the
What happened to
Dimensionator.
Clank?
What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Hello, someone with a lot
I
of
have
questions.
to find my friend.
How are you doing?
Hi? It's me? It's me!
It's me!
It worked! I am the winner!
Oh, he's coming. It's me!
There he is.
He's so happy to see
You have
himself.
returned early from your conquest.
Yes! Emperor!
Aha, I'm an emperor. Oh my gosh, there's so much laughing. What's going on? Just stand there with him. That wasn't even. I don't know well into the game. It's just like, congratulations, you finished You finished the tutorial. My English is great today.
Oh,
Oh.
Clank? Clank?
Oh, we're in the same place as Clank, so it's okay.
Wombats? What is this place?
A place that you are now in. TV! There's a TV!
Where are you, Clank? Maybe someone.
Well, obviously
around
not
here
on the
has seen
TV. What are you? Are you watching TV? It's a robot with a butterfly. And I don't know why that seems so funny, but it does. Hello, are you watching TV too? Oh no, the other one's more interesting.
Have any of you seen a little gray robot?
I thought that was a snail. Oh, whoa.
Red antenna.
It's like a
Very
fridge.
charming.
Sorry, all the charming robots I know have blue eyes.
Do I have blue eyes? Am I charming? I'm not a robot, what? I'm a robot now. I am Ratchet 2.0. I am looking for my buddy Clank. Have you seen him? No? Okay. Ring up the steps and down the path. Oh. Oh, I thought I could go through there. Turns out I can't. Bang. Hello? Have you seen Clank? I don't know if they're scared or... Oh, I didn't mean to go up. I didn't know it was an elevator. I'ma go up and up and up. Oh.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Please. Hello.
Welcome to the nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
This is his place. He's
Does that
the
mean
Emperor.
there are two Nefariouses now? Clank
They're
first,
not.
Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Hello. I want to go up here first. Can I help you? Actually, can you help me? I need help. Have you seen my buddy? He's gone missing. No, I'm not shooting. Don't worry. I would never do such a thing. Actually, I would by accident. But still, I would never do such a thing. Go.
Hey, Lomax!
Hello? Who said that?
I hope the Emperor will keep us safe.
I do too. Actually, no, I don't. I know the Emperor won't. I want to go through there. Oh, okay.
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right
How did you get here?
Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
The Resistance. I feel like I'm an echo to him. The
Apologies, Sugar.
Resistance.
Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
We found him!
Clank!
Ow. Excuse me?
No.
No, you're taking off with Clank!
I need to go after that
Excuse
ship.
you?
How can I get off planet?
Listen, test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? No. Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
Well, I think we're going to leave it there for today, guys. I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. Hit that link. Please hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!